Welcome! In today's video, we'll tackle a common issue many LinkedIn users face: the platform not responding on your PC after a recent update. If you've been struggling to access your LinkedIn account, don't worry. We have some straightforward steps to help you get back on track. Step 1. Refresh the LinkedIn web page. The first thing you should try is refreshing the LinkedIn web page. Simply click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can often resolve minor loading issues and get LinkedIn functioning again. Step 2. Close and reopen your browser. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to close your browser completely. Once it's shut down, reopen it and navigate back to LinkedIn. Sometimes a fresh start for your browser can clear up any glitches that might be causing the problem. Step 3. Restart your device. If you're still experiencing issues, consider restarting your device. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown, and wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. This simple step can often resolve deeper system issues that might affect your browsing experience. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Another effective method is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Start by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This action will remove old files that could be interfering with LinkedIn's performance. By following these steps, refreshing the page, closing and reopening your browser, restarting your device, and clearing cache and cookies, you should be able to resolve most issues with LinkedIn not responding on your PC. Thank you for watching.